Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stytch for passwordless login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stytch for a passwordless login, begin by creating a Stytch account. Visit the Stytch website and sign up for a new account. Once registered, navigate to your dashboard. Here, you will find your API keys. Copy your public API key and secret key for later use. Next, install the Stytch SDK in your project. If you are using Node.js, run the command to install the SDK via npm. For a browser environment, include the Stytch script in your HTML. Now, configure the SDK with your credentials. Initialize the Stytch client using your public API key. Create a function to start the passwordless authentication process. This typically involves sending a magic link or an OTP to the user. Prompt the user to enter their email address or phone number. Once the user submits their information, call the authentication method from the Stytch SDK. This will send a magic link or an SMS containing the OTP. Inform the user to check their email or SMS for the authentication link or code. Next, create a function to handle the incoming magic link or OTP. If using a magic link, redirect the user when they click it. If utilizing an OTP, prompt the user to enter it on your platform. After successfully receiving the magic link or verifying the OTP, authenticate the session. You can store the user's session information securely in your app. Finally, present a logged-in view or dashboard after successful authentication. Always make sure to handle errors gracefully to enhance user experience. This concludes the step-by-step guide on how to authenticate with Stytch for passwordless login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.